came to get some soy sauce. Oh, soy sauce, right. I brought a bottle for the soy sauce.
It's okay, I'll pour it in for you, so wait here.
But I'm pretty good at filling the bottle with a funnel.
Well, okay then. Huh? I don't hear her footsteps.
Sorry.
Huh? She's playing by matching my footsteps?
Nipa!
What's she up to? We still have a lot. Here, take as much as you want. It hurts! So you want to be crushed? Bring it on! Hey, you're overstaying your welcome in my house. If you're not gonna come, then I will! Bitch! Serves you right. Let's find out what kind of drug this is. You'll be the test subject. Hilarious! You're cracking me up over here. Let's see how much longer it will take till you die. Oh, but if I let that happen, I'll miss out on the fun of torturing you. Alright, I've decided. Let's change the stage to the fun underground torture chamber.
Huh? Oh, you still have some strength? Well, it'd be no fun if you didn't. I've been dying to give your finger joints a little lesson in carpentry, so you should stay up. Unfortunately, I have to turn that lesson down. You damn sadist. Oh, now that's more like how the Friday head should act. You seem a little under the weather. If that's all you can to do is stay up, then how can you resist? True, just like you said, this is all I can do. But if you're gonna put on a show of torturing me, sorry, but I'd rather leave this. Leave if you can.